السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
10 Lesson from the Quran. Point 1. The most selfish one-letter word. I avoid it. Indeed, Allah does not like those who are self-deluding and boastful. Point 2. The most satisfying two-letter word. We use it say, O Prophet, Allah's guidance is the only true guidance. And we are commanded to submit to the Lord of all worlds, establish prayer, and be mindful of Him. To Him you will all be gathered together. Point 3. The most poisonous three-letter word, ego kill it. He replied, I have been granted all this because of some knowledge I have. Did he not know that Allah had already destroyed some from the generations before him who were far superior to him in power and greater in accumulating wealth? There will be no need for the wicked to be asked about their sins. Point 4. The most used four-letter word, love value it. And one of his signs is that he created for you spouses from among yourselves, so that you may find comfort in them. And he has placed between you compassion and mercy. Surely in this are signs for people who reflect. Point 5. The most pleasing five-letter word, smile keep it. Moreover, He is the one who brings about joy and sadness. The Prophet Muhammad said, do not abuse anyone, do not look down upon any good work, and when you speak to your brother, show him a cheerful face. Point 6. The fastest spreading six-letter word, rumor ignore it. O believers! Avoid many suspicions, for indeed, some suspicions are sinful. And do not spy, nor backbite one another. Would any of you like to eat the flesh of their dead brother? You would despise that. And fear Allah. Surely Allah is the acceptor of repentance, most merciful. 7. The hardest working seven-letter word. Success, achieve it. By men who are not distracted either by buying or selling from Allah's remembrance, or performing prayer, or paying alms tax. They fear a day when hearts and eyes will tremble, hoping that Allah may reward them according to the best of their deeds, and increase them out of His grace. And Allah provides for whoever He wills without limit. Point 8. The most enviable eight-letter word. Jealousy distance it. And do not crave what Allah has given some of you over others. Men will be rewarded according to their deeds and women equally according to theirs. Rather, ask Allah for His bounties. Surely, Allah has perfect knowledge of all things. 9. The most powerful nine-letter word. Knowledge of Islam, acquire it. Knowledge, by the Quran, rich in wisdom. 10. The most essential 10-letter word. Confidence, trust in Allah's guidance. Trust it. Say, nothing will ever befall us except what Allah has destined for us. He is our protector. So in Allah let the believers put their trust. Peace in life can be inshallah attained only when you follow the Quran and Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad properly. There are many lessons you can learn when you understand the Holy Quran. May Allah make it easier for us. Ameen. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe to never miss an update from this channel.